welcome back to Living Life Simply. My name is Rahel if you're new here, and in today's video I wanted to share with you a pasta salad recipe. Now that summer is here, I think that having a pasta salad is the perfect meal since it doesn't take a lot of prep time or a lot of heat, but it tastes delicious, so I thought I would share it with you. So to start off, boil a pot of water, and while the water is boiling, go ahead and prep your veggies. I'm gonna start off by cutting up these zucchinis. And sauteing them. I spiced it with some garlic powder and oregano. While the zucchinis are sauteing, I'm going to cut up some cherry tomatoes into halves. And once that is ready and the zucchinis are almost cooked, I'm going to add the cherry tomatoes and saute them in to let some of the juices release. By that point, the water has boiled and I'm going to add in the pasta. I'm using this Bonza pasta today, and I will cook it based on the instructions, so for about 7 to 10 minutes normally. And while that is cooking, I will go ahead and dice a quarter of an onion. I will slice up some olives. And at this point, the pasta is ready. I will strain it. And for the dressing, I will share with you how to make this roasted pepper creamy dressing that is delicious and adds so much flavor. You will of course need red pepper, and you can use one large bell pepper, or you can use, like me, a couple of mini ones, and just simply chop it up into strips. Of course, remove all the seeds and pop it onto a lined baking sheet. Add a little bit of salt, olive oil, and put it into the oven, or I'm using a toaster oven, at 400 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes until it is nice and roasted. When it is ready, in a blender cup, you will add your roasted peppers as well as a quarter cup of hemp seeds, or you can use any other seed or nut of your choice. It can also work with sunflower seeds, cashews. Then I added all of the liquids that were in my pan from the tomato and zucchini we cooked earlier, as well as some garlic powder and a quarter cup of water. And then I blended it up, add water as needed in order to get the perfect consistency. But you can also decide to use some pesto, and I actually have a pesto recipe on the channel that I will leave up here. Or if you're feeling really lazy, you can just add some olive oil, and that also tastes great. And now that we have everything, it is time to assemble all together our pasta salad. So into a bowl, I will add the pasta, the zucchini with the tomatoes, the onion, the olives, and the feta cheese. This is my favorite vegan feta cheese. It's by Violife, and I think it adds such a pop of taste. Then of course it is time to pour over the creamy dressing, mix it all together, serve it, and enjoy. So here you have it, this delicious summery pasta salad. Doesn't take long, it's super delicious and colorful, and I really hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments below, as well as let me know what veggies you added to your pasta salad or what dressing you decided to use in yours. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss another video. And feel free to share this video with whoever you think might enjoy it. As always, the completed written down recipe will be linked in the description below, so feel free to check that out. And I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!